Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be very real and candid. So if you have seen my previous videos, you know how much I love organizing and planning, but I don't use a planner for that. I use my bullet journal. So I don't invest in planners because of multiple reasons. Like, most of them are hardbound and it's very difficult to carry them around, or they are very costly, and if for some reason I'm not able to use it, it will be a huge waste of money. And they also have pages which I don't need. So if I'm using a bullet journal, I can customize it as per my own need. So I use a bullet journal, and in today's video you will see how I use only 5 to 10 minutes to plan for an entire month, and that's it. I know it's not too beautiful or anything, that's why I said real and candid, but it's okay. I think it serves my purpose, and that is it. I don't want anything more from it. Also, I would suggest everyone watching this video that they can also start planning their days and months, because it's really helpful, and it also helps you make your life more organized and stuff. So that is a lot for an introduction, I think. So let's see the video.
So this is a random notebook that I use for my bullet journaling. I bought it randomly last year. Pages are quite thick, so I use it as my bullet journal. Now coming to the required page. This is for the month of October, and I have already done the cover page. I try to make the cover pages as simple as possible because it's easier for me. This is inspired from a post I saw on Pinterest. If you all want to make it more detailed, you please do so, and I will link my journal with me video in the description, so you all can get inspired from that and make one of your own. Now what I do, the first thing is that I take 5 pages and divide each page into 6 halves. This is how it looks after I finished making the boxes. I just use a simple black gel pen and scale to make these. I try to keep the entire thing as simple as possible so that it doesn't take up much time. Now the next step will be to write the dates and days. What I do is that I take a brush pen and simply put it here and just make a stroke, and like this I fill all the boxes. On these strokes I write the days of the month. Then it's time to take another gel pen and just simply write the days. So this is how it looks after I finished writing the days. Now I made a mistake here, and then I fixed it by making a stroke with my black brush pen and writing on it with my white jelly roll. I would like to tell everyone that it is absolutely okay to make mistakes in these, because you don't have to make it aesthetically pleasing for anyone. You just have to make something that works for you. And on months that has 31 days, I divide the last box into 2 halves so that I can fit it and not waste another page. Now it's time to write the dates. For that I will be using my black sketch pen. Now I have finished writing the dates, and this is how it looks. I simply write the number and then circle it, like I said, keeping it as simple as possible. Now my monthly spread, the main spread that I make, is ready. Now it's time to make the extra ones. The first spread that will go up here is my phone tracker. Now I try to track my screen time so that I can know when to reduce it and to not harm my eyes, that is. Now what I do is that I simply take the page, write the words phone tracker with my brush pens, divide the page into 2 halves and write all the dates. I don't make more rows and columns so as to not make it more messy. Now this is an extra page that I make. What I do here is I divide the page into 6 columns and 5 to 6 rows depending on the month, and I just write the dates and I track here something that I do every day. For example, if I am studying every day, I track here what topics I studied, Or suppose I'm doing classes every day, so I track what classes I did that day and what all new I learned, something like that. It's very easy to keep track of something you do every day, and it really makes stuff a lot easier for me. Now this is the last page that I have to make for my monthly journal. Now what I do is that I make boxes like this where I write all the dates and I track whether I did something that day. I need to write the dates in these 3 boxes as well. So suppose I did art on 3rd of October, say, I will highlight it with a colored highlighter, and I use different color highlighters for different boxes. I will show you an example from last month. This is an example from last month. Sorry, I can't show you guys what I was tracking because it's a bit personal, but here it is. So that is it. I am done with my spread. This is how it looks. A little improvisation here. I just pasted a small note with the name of the month written. Also, I write the name of the month here because this space remains empty and it looks cute. Let me plan the first day of the month with you guys only.
I hope you all liked watching my video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if it was of any help, do let me know in the comments. But yeah, bye.